laptop, the Realme Book. This is Realme's first high-performance slim notebook, a perfect blend of hardware and software that's made to create. The laptop is always the best companion for our work and creativity. And the screen is the most important part of a laptop, since we face it for about 8 hours on a regular workday. For creators, a high-quality, especially high-resolution screen is essential. In the current market, though, for less than 1,000 USD, you often end up with laptops with a 1080p or even 768p resolution that can only meet the user's daily needs at the office. But of course, for demanding creative needs like design or video editing, such a resolution is far from enough. Our Realme Book will bring you an excellent all-around screen with a resolution up to 2160 per 1440 and covering 100% sRGB color gamut. It delivers true-to-life detail and rich colors, making for the best choice for designers and video entertainment lovers. Realme Book has a 14-inch IPS display with a broad viewing angle. The highest brightness is 400 nits, 33% brighter than the typical laptop. Now, let me show you our blue version of Realme Book. It's so elegant and stylish, and it's also easy to carry. It looks beautiful, right? That's why Realme Book has the newest 11th generation Intel-Core processor. It adopts a 10-nanometer super-thin manufacturing process with excellent energy efficiency performance and the newly upgraded CPU plus GPU structure. Its performance is far ahead of the previous generation, and with such a powerful engine, Realme Book efficiently tackles all creative tasks. In our testing, this processor delivers a 26% better single-core performance and 45% better multi-core performance than its predecessors, which is comparable to a desktop processor. As a result, creation, games, and entertainment can all be handled at a higher speed. Our graphic card is the Intel Iris Xe graphics, which, compared to the previous generation, sports a 50% improvement, which is even better than the discrete graphics card such as the NVIDIA MX 350. It doesn't matter if you're doing design, video editing, or 3D modeling. With such a strong performance, you can easily create and get things done. Also, it would be a real pity not to play some games. In our testing, the Realme Book can handle League of Legends and Overwatch in the highest graphics settings. Also, Realme Book can run smoothly when you set the low graphics quality in heavier games such as Shadow the Tomb Raider. Who said slim notebook performance is not good enough to play some games? Now you can actually call your friends over and enjoy the Realme Book to play your favorite games together. In order to bring steady, high performance, we use the industry-advanced dual-fan, dual-copper pipes cooling system. Charging has always been the strength for Realme mobile phones. And this time, Realme Book has inherited this advantage. Supporting 65-watt super-fast charge technology, Realme Book charges up to 50% in only 30 minutes. So you can quickly power up and have enough juice in case of emergencies. And the super large storage capacity can hold all your beloved videos, photos, games, and leave plenty of room as an all-good future-proofing measure. That's everything about the performance. Realme Book is both fast and powerful, making for the ideal tool to turn your creative ideas into reality. Turn it on, and all attendees will be able to see you clearly throughout meetings or your vlogs when you're off the clock. Our keyboard is also really worth talking about. Realme Book uses a 3-level backlit keyboard with a 1.3mm key travel. It is equipped with a big keypad and smile arc that fit your fingertips perfectly, so typing has never been so fast and comfortable. The Realme Book uses a super large touchpad, which increases the control area by 44% compared with other normal notebooks. It also supports Microsoft PTP Precision Touch technology, which is fast and accurate to operate. Realme Book is equipped with a 2-in-1 fingerprint power button, and the fingerprint sensor resides in the power key. So you only need one step to open and unlock your laptop. And of course, your privacy stays safe and protected too. Realme Book has plenty of ports, which can easily connect headphones, mobile phones, USB flash drives, and other peripherals. Also, the new generation of Thunderbolt 4 ports integrates ultra-high bandwidth and super versatility. One port can handle charging, data transmission, as well as video output. The transmission rate can reach up to 40 gigabytes per second, and two 4K screens can be connected at the same time. In addition, Realme Book also supports the new Wi-Fi 6 technology, which is 2.7 times faster than the previous generation. So not only is it faster than before, but it comes with a super anti-interference ability and super stability too. As a new player in the laptop industry, Realme is concerned about quality and adopts the industry's most stringent quality testing standards to ensure that every laptop is durable when it reaches the user's hands. This is the end of our Realme Book introduction. So let's actually recap one last time. Realme Book has a thin and stylish design, an excellent 2K full vision display, strong performance, long battery life, and lots of other compelling features. Compared to traditional laptops, it also supports innovative features such as PC Connect, which allows your smartphone and computer to seamlessly work in unison, so our young, talented users can turn their creativity into reality. Let's now have a final look at this wonderful laptop with this video.
The Realme Book Slim, our first ever laptop, is solely designed to empower you, sporting the cool features and cool colors of Real Grey and Real Blue. Realme Book powers up your tech lifestyle with a 2K full vision display, 11th Gen Intel Core processor, powerful bass sound by Harman Kardon, super slim and light build of only 14.9 mm, up to 11 hours of battery life, 65 watt super fast charge, and Smart PC Connect. The Realme Book Slim i3 8GB 256GB variant will be priced at Rs 46,999, and the Realme Book Slim i5 version 8GB plus 512GB will be priced at Rs 59,999 only. To add to your excitement, the launch offer price of Realme Book Slim i3 8GB plus 256GB version is Rs 44,999 only. And the Realme Book Slim i5 8GB plus 512GB version is priced at Rs 56,999 only. Both Realme Book Slim i3 version and Realme Book Slim i5 version will be available in two very gorgeous colors, Real Grey and Real Blue. First sale of Realme Book Slim will start on 30th of August 12 noon onwards. Both the versions will be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you.